This is Highway 87 in the intersection of Chemical Road in Orange, Texas. This is a major highway between Brick City, which is that way, and Orange, which is behind me. Somehow, telephone pole floated out of somewhere. People trying to get through. It's a major chemical plant in this area called DuPont. Just a couple of miles down the road. They were flooded out. Now they're calling in the hazmat crews. And at one time, yesterday, day before yesterday, it was 4 foot deep of water here. And now it's receded this much. And that is reeds out of a saltwater marsh that has been pushed inland for a couple of miles and came to rest in this area. The rain's not helping either. It's almost impossible. We had a couple of Humvees from the National Guard come through a few minutes ago. We're going to try it out. My parents live just about 5 miles to my right. Trying to get back there to take a look at their house. But from what I've heard, my brother was able to make it back there in a boat yesterday, so I doubt it's gone down that far. But their house is completely underwater. My brother's house has got 5 feet of water in it. And one of my good friends, his house has got about 2 foot of water in it. Well, while we're debating on what to do and where to go, I decided to take a little walk down this median. And just to demonstrate how dumb some people can be, is that this median is high and dry. Take a look. But people insist on driving in water that's almost up to their headlights. And he's playing it smart. He's driving median in between the medians. There's a bayou up here. We call it Spooky Bayou. Because going down it at night, it can get kind of spooky. At least me and my buddies, we went on a 3-day camping trip up in here. Just wanted to walk down here and see what it was like. And that is a bayou flooded up over the road. Some of the smart people turning around way down there. No.
I need to go get a phone number out of it for TJ.
No. Kay had it last.
You think I should use the crosswalk or just walk up in front of
Just walk out in front of them. Be a good example. And after a disaster like this, don't expect emergency services to be able to help you.